Hi guys, welcome back to Shalise Bakes Cakes. Today we're gonna make a Christmas cake. Yes, I know my cake is pink, but it is a pastel Christmas cake today and I'm excited about it. Also, I have my cake already frosted, chrome coated, stacked. It's ready to go. In January, the first of the year, I'm gonna start doing back to, I'm not sure what we're gonna call it yet, but it's gonna be something where I'm gonna be giving you guys tips about how we stack cakes, how we crumb coat our cakes, my favorite tools, kind of things like that. So we're gonna do that once a week once the holidays are over. So look forward to that. If you guys have any suggestions, things that you might want me to teach you or you wanna learn, send me a message, put it in the comments, and I will definitely take that into consideration in the new year. All right, let's see. Today for our cake, we are gonna be doing two fun techniques today. I've never done either of them, so it's gonna be fun. We're doing candy melt Christmas trees, where we melt our candy melts, and we put it in a piping bag, and then we're gonna pipe them onto our little sucker stick right here. And we can also use a pretzel stick to make smaller ones to give it a little bit of a variety. And if you don't have these candy sticks, pretzels, they're easy and simple. We're all about simple here. We're gonna pipe those today. I'm gonna show you, I'll walk you through it. We're also, if you remember a few videos back, I made 1M pumpkins. We're gonna make 1M Christmas trees around the side of our cake today. I'm excited. I've never done the 1M Christmas trees, so you guys are coming along for the ride. Obviously, we need our 1M tip and piping bags. We need parchment paper to pipe our cute candy melt Christmas trees on. I'm gonna walk you through all this fun stuff. This is kind of a lot today, so I hope you guys stick with me and we're gonna learn something together. I just melted our pink candy melts in the microwave I put quite a bit in here, so I just melted them it was probably about a minute and 20 seconds. Just make sure to take it out, check. Don't just put it in there and not check, because then they'll seize up and they won't be good for piping trees. Just mix it up till it's nice and smooth. And then we'll dump it in our piping bag and we will make some chocolate Christmas trees. To pipe our Christmas trees, we can either use one of our candy sticks. They're a lot longer. You can stick them in your cake and it'll be fine. So I'm gonna pipe on these. I'm gonna show you two different ways to do this. So here's our candy stick ones. You can use those, or we can just use a little pretzel. It's really easiest for whatever works for you guys. So I'll show you both ways how to do this. All right, let's pipe these Christmas trees. We'll start from the bottom and we'll go up. So we're just gonna pipe and go from side to side here. Okay, while the chocolate is wet, we're gonna sprinkle our sprinkles onto it so that it sticks. We wanna make sure that we have sprinkles on our trees. If you want sprinkles, make sure to put them on right after you pipe so that you have your sprinkles on your trees. We're gonna do a few green trees. We're gonna start with our 1M Christmas trees. All right, now that we have our drip, and we're ready to add our candy melt Christmas trees on top of this fun Christmas cake. So you can see they come out really good. Just let them sit on the parchment paper and they will come and dry, and you'll be able to pick them right up and stick them right on your cake. Very careful inserting them in because they will break, because they are fairly fragile little trees. So this is one of my favorite cakes to date. I think it's just because I'm a pink girl, so anytime I have the chance to do pink, I love it. I hope you guys followed along today and are feeling confident to go in your kitchen and pipe these 1M trees and make these super cute candy melt Christmas trees. If you're not feeling quite as confident to just pipe onto your cake, get a piece of parchment paper and practice piping on that parchment paper. And then when you're feeling like you want to do it on the cake, scrape it off that parchment paper, put it back in your frosting bowl, and pipe it onto your cake. You guys can do this. I hope I'm giving you guys the confidence to go in your kitchens and just be awesome. It doesn't have to be perfect. None of this does. Just practice and you guys will be making cakes in no time. I hope you guys had fun with me today. I really feel like I've got like frosting on me. I need to probably start wearing an apron. I have aprons, like cute aprons, but I always forget to put it on. You guys, I don't know. I struggle at life. Anyways, thanks for following along today. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on all the fun, guys.